Okay, Freedom, here we go.
Here we go.
It's smooth, it's graceful. I wouldn't mind more patient and breathing strokes. Widen the tracts out because now it's, I think, if you can widen the tract out and lean through the chest a bit more, I think you'll find the hips are up just a little bit higher and you'll have access to power in the right spot.
Yeah.
You doing stroke analysis there?
I was just basking in the
You were
sun.
watching, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you said increase the tempo and keep the hips moving.
Yeah. And I think you'll see that you're really,
I did.
you're booking here. Let me see when you push off here. Does it look like high effort?
No.
No, well, it's...
You get great conservation of momentum on this stroke now. You're flowing along in a nice clip. I think you can work on the head position to help out
Yeah.
the breathing position.
Yeah, no question.
But yeah, you're also tagging it at a roughly 120 to 125
Wow.
pace. I know what's normal for you.
150.
That's a 20 to 21 second length.
Seriously, that's what I've been when I went into the Y. And 100 for 150. Yeah.
That's a huge drop.
Yeah.
This is
That doesn't seem real.
You're pushing off in the 105 or 106 right now, and you're coming in on the. Nope, there you lift your head up before you touch the wall.
Yeah.
On the 126. So it's definitely under 130. It's 20 or 21 seconds in that length.
How long is this length?
25 yards. So great job.
Thank you.
Don't try to make it more work than that. That is fast enough. That's when you think about
Right.
hours and miles and stuff like
Yeah.
that. Just get into that. It's fine, and you're gonna stay warmer too on that.
Yeah.
Great work.
Thank you. Thanks.
Now he wants to clap.
Yeah.